Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. Now let's tap on digital well-being. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for 3 minutes, 3 minutes more than yesterday actually. So we've got actually 2 different ways to check some further details. We can tap directly on this graph, and as you can see, we will be able to check the dashboard and how long we've been using this device in particular days, with most used apps listed here. We've got also notifications received and times opened. We can go back. And the other way to check the info is to simply tap directly on the option, and as you can maybe not option but app, and as you can see, we will be able to check the graph just connected with the settings in my case. So this is how to check the total screen time, and under it we've got some goals. We can set the screen time and app timers. We've got also ways to disconnect, so we can set the work time, me time. So whenever you will need the time for yourself, you will need to rest, you just want to I don't know, work or something, you can set the focus mode, and thanks to this, your device will simply limit the notifications from the apps which are most distracting for you. And under it, you've got the comfort care, and you can enter the parental controls. So actually, this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.